Passive income is making money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're not doing any work. Now, the wealthiest people all have passive income, and if you want to be wealthy, if you want financial freedom, then you must have passive income. So here are some passive income ideas to get you started. Now guys, welcome back to the channel where we talk about personal finance, investing, and making money. My name is Ian, and today we're going to be looking at passive income ideas. Now, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and more importantly, hit the notification bell so you can see new content that I post here. And I post videos here every single day on YouTube. Now, additionally, if you're a regular viewer of the channel or you like the content, hit that like button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. So guys, before I start, I want you to comment down below and tell me what methods do you currently have that are generating passive income each month, right? Tell me what they are, and also if you're interested in even more income generating ideas apart from the ones we're going to be looking at in this video. So passive income is when you get regular earnings from a source that isn't an employer or some other source that doesn't require you to actively participate in work, right? So it's pretty much getting paid for something while you're doing nothing related to that which you're being paid for. Now, any income stream you pursue will require either some investment or effort on your part, even passive income. And so you'll have to do something initially to then create passive income. Now, if you want to have financial freedom, then passive income is a must, as that is the only way you'll be able to have all the free time to do what you want to do, when you want to do it, and still get paid so you can maintain that lifestyle. Now, if you look around, most millionaires all have some type of passive income streams or multiple streams of passive income. Now, I mean, you only have a set number of hours each day, so getting paid by the hour will never work out for you if you want financial independence. What I'm saying here is you'll have to find a way to make money even when you're sleeping, and that's why you need passive income. So the first thing that probably comes to mind when talking about passive income is investing in dividend stocks. Invest some funds into a stock or a group of stocks that pays dividends, and you pretty much can sit back and do nothing. Now, these stocks will pay you dividends regularly. Now, this, of course, isn't going to make you rich if you invested just $100, right? If you wanted to make thousands of dollars from stock dividend payouts every single month, then you would have to invest a whole lot more than just a few $100s. Now, this is still a pretty easy way to start making passive income though, and if you can grow your investments over the years, you could get to making a couple $1,000s every single month from passive income or from the dividends from passive income. The second thing that you can do to earn passive income is to be an affiliate or do affiliate marketing. Now, an affiliate marketer drives traffic to a business or product and then gets paid for the leads or sales made. Now, one popular affiliate program is the Amazon Affiliates program, where you can refer people to buy products from Amazon and get a commission from each sale. Now, likewise, there are many other affiliate programs that you can use. You could create a blog, a podcast, a YouTube channel, or social media accounts to get traffic to promote the products and then drive that traffic to the affiliate products. Now, once it converts into sales, you get paid. After doing the initial work, then people will keep seeing and using your affiliate links, and you will continue to earn passive income from these affiliate links. Now, you could also create your own blog and then have links to products from there and earn affiliate commissions each time a person purchases using your link. Now, the third thing that you can do to make passive income is to offer an online course, right? Chances are there's at least one area of specialty of something that you either know a lot about or you're extremely good at it, or both, if that makes sense. Now, creating an online course and sharing that knowledge with people who are trying to find solutions would be a great source of passive income. So once you create that online course, you can leave it online and get paid each time someone makes a purchase. So you can either sell the course yourself, which will make you more money, as online courses usually go from $100 to $5,000 depending on the content and the subject area, or you could list it on a learning platform such as Udemy. Now, the difference here is that with your own website, although you would make money from each sale, you would have to do some additional work in driving traffic to your website, which will cost you more time and more money in the initial phases. Now, if you go with a learning platform such as Udemy, then they already have traffic, so you could start earning passive income much faster. The fourth thing you could do to make passive income is to write a book. Now, this would be similar to an online course, and you can either sell the book yourself and make money, or you could have a publisher sell it for you and then get paid royalties. Now, usually the average royalty on a book is around $5, so you would get around $5 every time someone purchases that book. Either way, writing a book with actual useful information is a good way to earn passive income. Sure, it takes a bit of time up front, but once your book is completed, it's all passive from there on out. Amazon also offers a service where you can get your book published and sold, so you guys can explore that option. The fifth way that you can earn passive income is to invest in real estate, and specifically rental real estate. So real estate has proven to always increase in value. Even after the big recession in 2008, real estate prices went back up to where they were before and have now exceeded. Now, investing in real estate, you will benefit from appreciation on the property, but in terms of passive income, if you invest in rental properties, not only will you benefit from the value of the property increasing, but you will also benefit from a monthly rental income. So buying an investment property or a duplex or some other property that you can rent out, pay the mortgage from the rent, and still cash flow profits is another great passive income idea. A sixth way to earn passive income is by selling ad spaces. So if you look in the newspaper, you'll see a bunch of ads, right? Now, there are two things happening here. One is that someone is paying for that ad, and two is that the newspaper is collecting money for putting that ad there. So similarly, if you have a blog, a YouTube channel, social media, or just any medium where you can reach an audience, then you can be paid for display ads. Now, blogs have been the most popular, and if your blog is getting a decent amount of traffic every month, then advertisers will pay you more to display their ads on your blog. Again, this is another passive income method that can easily generate a couple $1,000s every month so long as you have consistent traffic going to your blog or wherever it is that you have traffic. Now guys, you can use all the methods in this video to earn passive income or whichever ones you choose. Now these all require some investment or work up front, but once you do the initial work, then the income afterwards will be passive. So drop me a comment down below and let me know if you have any other passive income ideas that you would like to add to this list, and if you're already using any of these passive income strategies to make money. Now, I hope this video was informative and helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you can see new content that I post here every single day. Also, go ahead and share this video anywhere you think it may be able to reach more people and help someone out as well. Now guys, we still have that promotion at WEBULL, and I know I sound like a broken record right now, but until you guys are all investing, I'll continue saying this. So remember, sign up with the link down below and you will get 2 free stocks after depositing $100. And these 2 free stocks can be anything that can be valued up to over $1,000, right? Now, if you already did this and you collected your 2 free stocks, drop me a comment down below and let me know which 2 stocks you got for free. Also, in the event that you didn't like the stocks you got, then you can always sell them and keep the money or buy some other stocks that you would prefer to invest in. Now, finally, again, guys, I have to also mention SOFI money, right? So the days of putting your money in bank accounts where you get no interest, then you have to pay account maintenance fees, then you have to pay ATM fees and any other fees, right? So once you have an account where you get charged fees and you don't get any interest on your money, then that's not good. So we're gonna change that right now. I've left a link down below to SOFI money, and guys, I personally use SOFI money. Now with SOFI money, you get a hybrid account where you pay no account maintenance fees, there's no minimum balance required, and you don't pay any ATM fees, and if you do, they're immediately reversed, and of course, you get interest on your money. Now, in addition to that, with the link down below, you'll get $75 for free when you sign up for SOFI Money. So be sure to check that out as well. Now again, guys, based on all the passive income ideas we've just looked at in this video, let me know if you currently do any of these and if it has been working very well for you. And also, if you haven't been generating passive income, let me know if you guys will be trying any of these methods. And also, if you'd like to see more content as it relates to passive income and how to make more passive income, or ways in which you can make more passive income. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. All the best with your passive income streams, and I'll see you guys again soon. Adios.